The Mitsubishi Pajero got stuck in the mud right at the first stage of the race. No matter how hard the guys try, there's no way they can push out a giant like that with just their hands. The viewers have no one to blame but themselves. On patrol struggles to climb up the dirt hill.
Yeah, baby! Oh, that's gold! That is gold! Uh-oh. Well done,
Naturally, the quickest way is in a straight line. A good off-roader only needs 2 wheels, an exciting sight, city cars racing off-road.
哇塞，老表啊！哇塞，你是个狠人！大众，大众！哇塞，大众，大众！大众，你行不行？大众，真的很难。我去！我靠！你跑这么大的这么大一个大深坑，我靠！你还上得去吗？等会儿，跑了这么大一个深坑。哇塞，老表！我去！ 哎，又来了个长啊！哎，老表，哇塞！哎，老表，哎。
The exciting process of pulling the Jeep out of the mud. wheels on this buggy are way too narrow. It's pointless to grab the radiator grill. The car is already on its side.
木马人是没有问题的哈，好轻松的哈，不用担心。
Some thrill seekers forget that off-road vehicles don't float as well as boats. A Tatra rally truck flipped onto its side. Looks like they'll have to get their interior cleaned. Surprisingly, the SUV is still running. It's just not his day. The Jeep rolled over. You can guess the car. It's a Range Rover. Trees in the way? No problem. That's what they call being stuck. The gears on the Suzuki Jimny couldn't handle such heavy loads. of mud, but no result.
来看一下，
On asphalt feels boring. Come try the mud. It jerked and rolled back.
You got it. Stay fast as you're headed. Go! 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 Hey! Go! Go! Oh! God damn it! Are you okay?
Rex, it's okay, bud. Keep it, bud.
This Jeep faces problems on a relatively smooth road.
You're okay, Julie. Everything's okay. Everything's okay. Yep. Everything's okay. Don't sweat it. You're okay.
Driving the pickup into the water didn't manage to put out the spilled gasoline. Can the dump truck cross the river? It was slow, but it made it out. The Land Rover dented its doors in the most unexpected way.
Oh, that's gone. Right, Gabe, come here.
He's going to fall onto the roof.
You won't be turning that engine off.
It had a chance to climb the mountain, but instead, it broke a tree.
He got it. He's all right.
The seasoned Range Rover struggling with the river. The bike is competing in one event, while the rider in a different one.
Sai! Moço, velho, esse moço tá problema mesmo.
The Mercedes G350 is hopelessly stuck. The Jeep couldn't keep hold of the vertical slope. Either the slope is too steep or the base is too long. Amphibious all-terrain vehicle can handle both water and ice with ease. This pro driver hit the gas and kept his balance on the wheels. Winter fishing poses a risk to vehicles.
Ура! Повезло! Oh! Oh.
Black smoke coming from the diesel engine. Quickly, stop the race! A wheel came loose. Getting the Hummer H2 out is no easy task. The vehicle weighs over 3 tons. Pickup hit its undercarriage and got stuck while climbing over a rock. The Land Rover Discovery nearly tipped over on its side. This sedan handles mountain roads as effortlessly as an SUV. The pine tree couldn't withstand the impact of the bumper. Suspension suddenly started to fall apart. Pickup truck took a break in the snowbank. He was overconfident. The Jeep instantly flipped onto its roof. The wheels turned at the wrong angle, and as expected, the buggy flipped over. It didn't quite make it, but it didn't fail either. The A-pillar of the Jeep got broken off when it slammed into a rock. This tractor is not willing to cooperate with people. This wheel doesn't really want to let go. What can two Land Rovers do on the same road? Pull each other out. The buggy didn't flip over, managing to balance on its rear wheels. Pickup truck scraped its undercarriage on a rock.
This is sketch right here. Yeah, we're on one of the fins. Oh! I don't like the way. Oh!
Feel as confident as if they were on a luxury cruise ship in the Pacific. The rally supercar jumped into the air and flipped over in the corner.
Well, this one up. That's deep. Look. Oh no. Look at it. Oh, dude, that's so bad.
Loud crack, things aren't going according to plan. This one knows a thing or two about balance. The buggy crashed onto the asphalt, landing on its radiator. A bonus for pulling off a crazy stunt. Somehow, two rally cars collided head-on. The chances of a Lamborghini making it through the mud were slim. But hey, at least they gave it a shot. A slight skid turned out to be fatal. The Jeep almost flipped over.